Hot sauce bottles 5 ounces. These glass refillable hot sauce bottles with caps and drippers are the perfect choice for anyone looking to package homemade hot sauces, salad dressings or condiments. Many uses. This hot sauce bottle set is perfect to gift to a friend or loved one or for a summer barbecue or celebration. The hot sauce bottle labels allow you to cater your bottles to any occasion. Complete hot sauce set. Our refillable bottles for hot sauce set comes with everything you need to start your homemade sauce or journey or add to your current collection. High quality. The glass bottles for hot sauce measure approximately 6.75 x 1.75 inches with a 1-inch opening, are made of heavy-duty glass, and is dishwasher safe. What's included? You will receive 14 hot sauce bottles empty, 14 drippers, 14 screw-on caps, 14 black wrap capsules, and 18 blank chalkboard labels. Top reviews from the United States. Great for bottling homemade hot sauce and gifting to others. This arrived only 1 day after ordering. These bottles are the perfect size for gifting. You can give someone a good-sized sample of your sauce without giving away too much. I made a large batch of hot sauce with my roasted garden peppers, vinegar and several spices and got 11 bottles for my first effort. The box arrived with all the contents intact. Glass jars were well packed to avoid breakage. The white marker didn't seem to work so well on the black label, so I used a silver Sharpie. I'll be ordering another set of these as soon as I've given away or consumed all my current bottles.